Good afternoon, students. This is Amarjit Prajapati from Ramanujan Coaching Institute. We are going to discuss about the preposition, which is very crucial topic for the board exam as well as for the students who are preparing for the competition. Preposition is the word. First of all, we need to understand what is the preposition. Preposition is the word that places before the preposition. Pre means what? Before. Position means what? Sthiti, situation. Understand or not? Preposition means what? Preposition is the word that places before noun or pronoun. Clear? By definition, preposition is the word that shows the relationship between two objects of different kind. Preposition is the word that shows the relationship between two objects of different kind. If we talk about the preposition is classified basically in three categories: preposition of time, preposition of place, and preposition of direction. Clear? Take the preposition at and in. At is the preposition of time, preposition of place, and preposition of direction. In is also considered as the preposition of time, preposition of place, and preposition of direction. Clear? At and in. What are the relationship between at and in? At used before the compared to at relate to the small extent of the space or time. Small extent of space or time. Space means what? Small extent of space and time. Space means what? Small place. For example, he is living in India at Delhi. Compared to India, Delhi is the capital, small place. Understand? Relate to the small extent space or time. Space or time. Time means he is for example, you can take he will come at 5 o'clock, he will come at 6 o'clock, I will arrive at 6 p.m. Understand or not? So at indicate the time. Clear? Small extent means what? is छोटे जगह पे. For example, he lives in Mumbai at Bandra. Bandra is a small place compared to Mumbai. Mumbai is the big city. Understand? He is living in Delhi at Janakpuri. Delhi is the big city and Janakpuri is the small place. Understand or not? So at relate to the small place compared to the in. है ना? In कहाँ पे यूज करेंगे हम? जैसे बड़े प्लेस के सामने हम इन यूज करेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ही लिव इन USA at Silicon Valley. USA is the country, big states, big country, and Silicon Valley is the name of the place and which is inside the USA, America. Clear? At in is already इनको इन भी बड़े जगह के सेंस में क्या करते हैं हम यूज करते हैं. बराबर. दूसरा इन रिलेट टू द वाइडर एक्सटेंट. वाइडर एक्सटेंट मीन्स व्हाट? बड़े सेंस में जो बड़ा प्लेस होता है उसके कंपेयर में हम क्या करते हैं? ये यूज करते हैं, इन यूज करेंगे. क्लियर? And the space of or the time. For example, Mohan lives at Kathua. Kathua is the name of the place. Mohan live at Kathua. Kathua is the particular name of the town, place or village. है ना? Understand or not? समझ में आया आपको? Mohan lives at Kathua. Kathua is the name of the place, but Mohan live in India. Mohan live in USA. अगर हम बड़े प्लेस का नाम लेंगे तो वहाँ पे क्या प्रीपोजिशन यूज करना है? इन यूज करना है. क्लियर? She was born at Batote is the name of the place. And it is a small town or place. Understand or not? But the last Olympic Games were held in Beijing. Beijing is the capital of China. So it is a big place. Understand? There are many films studio in Mumbai. Mumbai is the big city. That's why it's take in, not at. But if you talk, he live. There are many film studio studios at Goregaon. But Goregaon is the name of place which is in Mumbai. Understand? It's Goregaon. Goregaon is the small town compared to Mumbai, so we can put here at.